Welcome to Wildhorse Homestead's Pantry. Today we're going to make a plant-based cheddar cheese. This cheese is so versatile because it can be turned into a mild sliceable soft cheese that's great for using in place of traditional dairy cheeses for things like mac and cheese, toasties, pizzas, burgers and cheese board platters. But with just a little bit more time and planning, you can turn it into a hard cheddar cheese that's actually very easy to grate and sprinkle over dishes like your baked potatoes, quesadillas, pasta bakes and things like that. Also, if you want to vamp this cheese up, it's really easy to substitute out the normal salt for smoked salt for a smoked cheese. Or you can add herbs and chili for a flavoured cheese. So some ingredients that are really good companions for a flavoured cheese are things like garlic and chili, honey, mustard, rosemary, chives, basil, parsley, oregano, thyme. There's so many that you can do. Bacon, a vegan bacon. I'll be doing my vegan bacon recipe. So I thought I was going to be able to put this into 2 dishes when I started, but I couldn't fit both dishes into the pot. So I ended up transferring them both into just one oiled mold. It's got to be heat proof. And once you then get your oiled mold that will fit into your pot, what you want to do is cover that mold with some baking paper and some alfoil, and then you want to put it into your steamer pot for at least 1 hour. What I do is I set the timer on my stove to turn off after an hour, and then I just leave it there until it gets to room temp, and then I take it out and I put it in, and this is what it looks like the next day. So this is what the consistency looks like to slice it, and you'll see it's like got a nice hard texture, and it's quite easy to slice with just a butter knife, and it's got like a springiness to it, and you'll see what it's like when it's being grated as well. I've just shown a thing where I've grated this and used it on a pizza in this state, not in the frozen one. So that's what it's like when it's grated. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and let me know how you go in the comments below. Thank you very much.